Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this portable folding toilet that this brand sent to me for the video. I want to show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds, but the bottom line is that this one could be really good if you need something that is more reliable, more easy to use, and more convenient, and will just like not going to the woods or something like that, or the trees or something like that. This could be really helpful. It comes in this really nice bag, so you can actually take it with you, and since it's foldable, you won't have to do anything else. But the best thing is it also comes with a 20-pack bags, like disposable bags, so you're gonna put them inside of the toilet. You're gonna use it as a regular toilet, and you don't have to wash anything. You just kind of like drop the bags, and that's pretty much it. I like it. It is convenient. Let me show it to you right now. So let me show you how convenient and easy this is to use. So the first thing you're gonna find out is the bags over here. So you take out the bags. It comes with the instruction manuals, of course, but you're not gonna need them because this is super easy. Here are some bags, and then you're gonna see this right away. So drop the bag over here, and what you're gonna see right here is just this. So pop up this part over here. This goes over here, creating this U shape. You put up the lid over here, and then you have your toilet already. And then what you do is just right here, pop up the lid just like that, and that's pretty much everything you need to do. First, you're gonna put the bags, but I kind of like wanted to show you that one first. How easy is it to use? So you just cut the bags over there, super easy, and like at any other regular bag, you just do this, put the bag over here just like this, and pop up the lid once again. That's it. So here I am reading some fine book while doing my stuff, and I'm done. But jokes aside, you can see that this one supports my weight, no issues. And then once you're done, you know what you need to do. You just like take out the bag, put it in the trash, and drop it, and that's it. Of course, drop it in a proper place, just not out there in the woods. So this for situations like camping or just like going to the beach. And if you're with kids or something like that, you can actually take this and make them to use it and not just like be out there, as I was saying before, like in the woods or something like that. So camping, hiking, fishing, going to the beach, or just having it in your car for situations that you don't know what's gonna happen. So I like it. Of course, it's super easy to use, and I do recommend it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.